Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow compadre speaking. All right, BTC is $35,466. Slight move to the downside. I want to show you a very interesting pattern that is currently within. Super simple, actually. So welcome back, loyal family, if you're new here. Anything outside of the price action, please do your research on that before we get started, if you haven't already, because we're only going to go over candlesticks and lines. Okay? Let's see what we have here in the charts. Let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's June the 5th, 2021, and the current price of BTC is going to be $35,461.77. It's down approximately 0.2% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So this is super simple for me to see, hopefully for you as well. Here's the lines. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing a descending channel. Okay, where the market is finding support. Well, actually broke through. I'm actually going to explain the green circle and the red circle just to like truly break it down for anyone who may associate the recent move down with anything else other than this resistance line or a tweet line, I guess you can say, right? So a descending channel, if you're new to like technical analysis, is just basically where the market finds support at the lower line down here, right? Finds support at the lower line, and of course the line at the top there finds resistance. Now, I want to explain to you why I say that the lines are placed perfect. They're perfectly placed, and the reason that I'm speculatively saying that they're placed perfect is because let's explain the green circle. So as you all know, well, if you don't know, if you knew, support, resistance, and patterns is what we go over, and the market is filled with buyers and sellers, and that is it. Nothing else, actually. If you notice this red candle on May the 23rd here, okay, where the sellers made an attempt to break out of the descending channel, which is a pattern, the buyers made a bullish counter move because when you break down below a support line, the very next candle, the opposite party has an opportunity to make a counter move. In this case, it's a bullish counter move because again, the sellers, the red candle here, May the 23rd, 2021, they tried to break down below the support line and the buyers made a bullish counter move. Okay. Now, if you notice here, there's been there's wicks. These are daily candles, by the way, if I haven't mentioned that. Notice the wicks at the top of that line is perfect. The buyers did not make an attempt to break out of the descending channel. The only thing that happened was the buyers made a bullish counter move and came up to the resistance line overhead, and they were stopped out by the sellers and they came down to the support line. Notice this area here also does not have any candles bodies to break below the support line. I'm explaining that because what recently happened in the market is, I guess, a tweet happened, but my technical explanation as to what just recently happened is the red circle represents the buyers making a break for it. Well, at least an attempt to make a break for it. The buyers closed a green candle, a buying interest candle. Remember, there's just buyers and sellers. They attempted to break above the descending channel's resistance line. Okay. When they tried to break above the descending channel's resistance line, the sellers are like, nah, bud, not right now. You got to get back in your descending channel. And that's exactly what happened. AKA the market found resistance at the resistance level within a descending channel, if that makes sense. Okay. And on this candle is when the tweet came out, June 5th. I don't even know. Did it come out? I don't know, guys. I just heard through the grapevine, right? That grapevine is so old school. That the market had a tweet and it found resistance and the market went down. Let me know that in the comment section. Was it June the 5th when the gentleman made the tweet? Okay, it's today actually. All right. And yeah, it just simply found resistance at that descending level of resistance within its channel, guys. So what happens next? Sheesh. I'm looking to see the market may come down and find support at this lower line here. Maybe. Okay. If it happens today, that's going to be a price tag of about $32,000. You're talking to someone who is currently invested in BTC, and we're looking to play ourselves long in this market. Believe it or not, we actually had to flip sides here just recently here, but we are still interested in longing BTC here, probably within the next 72 hours to flip back to the bullish trajectory there. yeah, so that's what I wanted to let everyone know. Just kind of hopefully that explanation was kind of clear enough to let everyone know that the descending channel, I guess the lines that I have on the chart, I think they're perfectly placed. Okay, if I had to say if they're placed correct, I say they're perfect. Okay, because of the seller's attempt on May the 23rd and the bullish counter move, and of course getting rejected and finding support, and then the buyer's attempt to break out of the descending channel. Excuse me, guys, the market is within a descending channel. Okay, it's just bouncing up and down. It's likely the market will attempt to move lower, but if it doesn't move lower, then the buyers are simply going to make an attempt to break out of the descending channel again, perhaps on today's candle. I'm not sure, actually. That would reflect in the price of about $37, $38 today on today's the most recent candle that opened. Okay, this is actually Sunday's candle. Okay, it has like 23 hours 45 minutes to close. Right now it's Eastern Standard Time, and it is 8:14 June the 5th 2021. All right, so that's pretty much it. What am I saying in a nutshell? Well, I think the market is going to make an attempt to push higher, at least as high as, let's say, $36,000 on this daily candle. Okay, I realize there's maybe some fear and uncertainty out there in the market, but I think the market is going to push higher, okay, on this daily candle. All right, so let's see how it plays out. You guys have all the information from me. 24 hours, $36,000. Well, that's not like a huge call, right? But I think the market's going to push higher, guys. Push higher. $36,807, something like that. Okay, so that's all I have. So live in a hurry. Just if you enjoy the content, leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out there to the Bitcoin investors. Give them a little insight of what could take place in the next 24 hours. Also, if you're new, before you go there, traditional stocks. We cover that 7 days a week. Kind of join us here on an interesting journey. We'll see you that information when it's available. Once again, thanks for your time. Be sure to execute strategies in the market, okay? Never just enter blindly. You don't know where you're going to sell. You don't know what you're doing. Just don't do that. That's not safe, guys. I can't tell you what to do, but I don't recommend it. All right, we'll talk soon, and bye for now.